The Department of Revenue and Taxation has been overwhelmed for years. A slew of mandates and shortages of personnel have contributed to long lines and growing frustration for employees and customers. Governor Eddie Calvo announced during his State of the Island address that the administration is looking to outsource the Department of Motor Vehicles and add kiosks to prevent long lines. It's an idea Rev Tax Director John Camacho fully supports.
This is something that's been done nationwide, the kiosk where you go there, actually input all your name, your information, what's your purpose there, renewal of your driver's license, or even to make up for an appointment to do the road test, or, so we can see it in the system.
He adds Rev Tax has since hired a handful of staff along with cross-training employees to help accommodate the driver's license division, which is known for having long lines. The department, meanwhile, is progressively implementing its government revenue management software licensed through a $5 million contract with Manatron Inc., along with starting its tax mapping project to help generate more revenue for Guam.
People are still getting training. Our supervisors are on training right now, learning the system. And the good thing about this system, again, is we're able now to communicate between land management and public works.
The interface of land management and DPW helps support DRT conduct multiple property valuations, integrate building permits, and offer extensive data storage and retrieval. For example, if a customer wanted to come in and know their balance or whether he owes the government property tax, the system would allow you to just put in your name, lot number, and give you an amount instantly rather than wait days, even weeks like before.
It's a system that we've been wanting for a long time, and it's making our jobs a little bit easier.
The system ties in with its tax mapping project, GPass, and computer-assisted mass appraisal system, which went live last year. The project was one of a dozen major revenue enhancement initiatives the department had outlined, totaling nearly $39 million.
We are benefiting that. As I told you back then, we did identify a lot of these properties that haven't been assessed, and we put them in the row, and we have generated some money on this project.
Camacho says by implementing these new services and finding solutions to cut costs, it may soon be able to fully reevaluate all the properties on Guam, a mandate set by law, possibly sometime this year. Reporting for Guam's News Network, I'm Ken Quintaniza.